Ahal laman singbu ikai khumnaba utpa haiba si macha singi tawfam thokpa lawfam thokpa thodang ni haina Manipur gi Governor Ajay Kumar Vallana Pangthokhre ngasi Department of Social Welfare na sinduna Hotel Imphal sangai hall da Pangthokiba International Day of Older Person IDOP inglisingani kun manga gi thoram ga mari leinana wafam asi Ajay Kumar Vallana Pangthokhibani Thauramadu Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goel Amadi Social Welfare Department ki Secretary Robert Khetri Mayumna Sarupya Khe Thauramadu ga mari lainana ahal oiraba singi damakta leingakna khudong chaba piriba scheme singi matangda atenba video su kaptuna ahal oiraba singda khangan khe loinana ahal oiraba singda achamba khudol amadi aids and assistant device sing su piduna ikai khumnaba utkhe Governor Ajay Kumar Vallana makha taraduna ahal oiraba singna khunai asida piriba contribution bu masak khangbiba amadi ikai khumnabaga loinana chawkhatpa khunai ama semgatpada mipum khudingmaki chap manaba thodang lei haibadu khangminnanabagi pandamda pangthokpa thoramni afaba khunai ama semgatpada ahal oiraba singi mamal naidraba lawsingna lamjing maira oiduna achauba thodang lauribani haikhe
Older persons embody lived experience that no textbook can offer. They carry within them lessons of perseverance, compassion, and hope, qualities much needed in the younger generation in our complex world. However, we must also acknowledge the challenges that many senior citizens face: health issues, financial insecurity, loneliness, or the feeling of being left behind in a fast-changing world. These are real concerns, and as a society, we cannot ignore them. Today, I speak not only as governor, but as a fellow elder. I understand the challenges that come with age, but I also know the deep value and experience that come with it. Our lives do not slow down, they evolve, and we continue to lead, guide, and care for our commitments. Let's not allow age to create distance. Let's build bridges of understanding between generations.